Hey guys, welcome back to another Thunderbye Tronics video. In this video, I will be reviewing the Yehua USB-C to RCA converter. Special thanks to Yehua for sending this over for me to review. This converter can be purchased off Amazon, link in description. Here's the product on Amazon. Scrolling down we can see the specs. This converter works with most Android phones and also iPads with the USB-C port. We can also see the supported resolutions. Yehua also makes a version for iPhones, but that is not the one I will be testing. Let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is very simple. Here's our first look at the converter. The cable is quite long, which is nice, and the build quality honestly feels pretty good. We have 3 AV cables, yellow for video, and white and red for audio. Here's the USB port, which is for powering the converter, and we have the USB-C cable. There is also a micro USB cable for more versatility. Let's test it out. I can plug the cables into the back of my TV. As a reminder, the yellow is always video, the red for right audio, and white left audio. My TV has a USB port, which can be used to power the converter, but not every TV may have one, so you may need to plug it into an outlet nearby instead. Now turning on the TV, I will switch the source to AV. You can see the converter showing something on the TV. There seems to be an app that works with the converter, but I will try using the converter without the app first. Now I will be using my iPad to test the converter. Plugging it in, we can see it takes a couple seconds to connect. But it does seem to be able to connect without the app. And as you can see, the converter is showing my iPad screen on the TV. It honestly feels pretty smooth. Unfortunately, I don't have an Android phone to test, but the iPad still demonstrates its functionality. One downside is with small print. It can get kind of washed out, but that is to be expected with the RCA format. Also, I tested playing a video and it works well. You can also hear that the audio sounds perfectly fine. In the description, the seller said that it was stuck on the restore screen and would not restore when plugged into iTunes. Now I did download the app for the converter. It has some additional features like mirroring mode, output resolution, and additional modes. Overall, I think this is a solid product. If you're looking to be able to connect your phone to an older TV or screen that does not have an HDMI port, this product will work just fine. For example, my projector only has an AV video port, and I will be able to use the converter with my iPad. If you would like to purchase this converter, I have put a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, which means I do get a small commission for any purchases of the product made through my link. This is my first review video, so any feedback would be appreciated in the comments section. Until next time, peace.